We invite you to co-create with us a new reality for our future generations, sustainable educational model that is grounded in nature-based learning. After the shutdowns of many schools, our community at Cenote Ixchel offered their personal houses and community areas to be a part of a school. And we received a flood of many kids that were stuck at home to be a part of our Waldorf program. At the moment, we have 17 students and many on the waiting list. As our compassionate heart opened the spaces, now the classrooms and spaces are not adequate to continue, so we urgently need to transfer the school to an area that's allocated for the new construction. It is clear to us, if we continue, we must get this new structure in order to move forward using outdoor classroom model, nonprofit education for the local community. We feel the essence of sustainability education is to guide children to tap into their innate capacity of understanding that everything is connected and our actions on this planet have consequences. The school is established in an eco-regenerative community, and school is rooted in indigenous wisdom, offering fertile grounds for our children to flourish at a time when the world needs it most. We are thankful for the opportunity to co-create a working example of how we can live in harmony with nature together, completely off the grid, utilizing renewable energy resources, and be healed and nourished by the land and the waters. We continuously bless, purify, and enhance through our conscious participation. In Lakish Alakim.
Soy maestra de hace 6 años de primaria y estoy aquí en el Cenote Ixchel muy agradecida con toda la diversidad de la comunidad del Cenote Ixchel y doy con mucho cariño mi servicio a todos los niños de esta comunidad en educación primaria. Gracias.
Hola chicos.
¿Quién quiere hacer cemento?
Después de mucho dormir y agradezco al nuevo día lo que voy a recibir. Fuerza y valor en acción, calor en